If Git's already on your machine, Claude Code is running in your Windows terminal in 5 minutes. You'll describe what you need, explain this, fix that, rewrite this function, and get it done in plain English right in the terminal. There are 2 things this installer skips on Windows. We're covering both before they hit you. 1 command, 2 quick fixes. Let's go. Quick check before we run anything. Claude Code uses Git Bash behind the scenes on Windows. That's the Unix-style terminal bundled inside Git for Windows. If you don't have Git installed yet, we have a dedicated video for exactly that. Links in the description. Come back once it's installed. Got Git? Good. Let's go. Open any browser. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever's on your taskbar. Search for Claude Code. The first result should be the official Anthropic documentation. Click it. You're looking for a page called Claude Code Overview. Scroll down until you see the installation section. There's a code block showing the command for Windows PowerShell. Copy it. That's the line we're about to paste. Open PowerShell. Type PowerShell. Paste in the command you just copied from the docs and hit Enter. It's the official one-liner from Anthropic, and it handles the entire download and setup automatically. Now watch what it prints when it finishes. The installer will flag a warning. This path is not in your path. Here's what that actually means. Path is like a contacts list for Windows. When you type a command in the terminal, Windows searches that list to find where the program lives. If the program isn't listed, Windows acts like it doesn't exist at all. The installer is telling us Claude Code isn't in the list yet. Here's how to fix it in about 30 seconds. Copy the path from the installer output. Search for environment variables. That's just the settings Windows uses to tell programs where to find things. Click Edit the System Environment Variables. Find Path under System Variables. Click Edit, then click New, and paste the path in. Then click OK 3 times to close it all down. Now close PowerShell completely and open a fresh window. This matters. The new path entry only kicks in for new sessions. Type Claude, 2 dashes, help, then press Enter. If you see a list of options and flags, the install is working. Let's confirm you can actually run it on a real project. For this demo, I'm using the website we built in our Build with AI Host for Free video. That's the static site we generated with Claude's browser version. Navigate into your project folder. Type cd, then the path, and then type Claude and press Enter. Claude Code will ask you to pick a theme first. Choose whatever you like. Then it asks for your login method, and this is where the question of cost comes up. Claude Code itself is free to install, but actually using it requires a paid plan. Think of it like a free app that needs a data plan to make calls. For personal use, choose the Claude.ai account option. Pro is $20 a month and covers most solo projects. Max is $100 and is designed for heavy daily use, large code bases, thousands of requests per day. Both subscriptions also give you full access to Claude on the web. If your company gave you an API key, that's a private access code your company uses to bill AI usage to their own account, choose Anthropic Console instead. And if your company runs on Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud, there's a third enterprise option for those setups. But for most viewers watching this, option 1 is the right choice. For this demo, I'm choosing the Claude.ai subscription. Hit Enter, and Claude Code opens your default browser and takes you to Anthropic's login page. Sign into your Claude account, then click Authorize. Think of it like connecting an app to your Google account. You're giving this terminal session permission to make requests on your behalf. The browser confirms it worked with a success message. Close the tab. The terminal's already picked it up. Back in the terminal, Claude Code asks one more question. Do you trust the files in this folder? This is a safety check. Claude Code won't read or touch anything without your permission first. Choose Yes and press Enter. Now let's actually use it. Claude Code read through the project files and answered in plain English. It described the dark and light theme toggle, the video listing grid, the search bar, and the contact form, all from that Build with AI project. No digging through source code, no documentation hunting, just ask. When you're done, type exit, that's a /, then the word exit, and press enter. That closes the session cleanly. Claude Code is fully installed, authorized, and working on a real project. But the install is the easy part. Most beginners waste it on the wrong questions and never get the output they were hoping for. That's what this channel covers next. Subscribe so you don't miss it.